Welcome to Smart Academy. We are giving physics problems for all physics sentences who are preparing for MSc, CSR, NET, for degree exams, for who go for MSET, IITG. I am giving the question and answer with explanation. So today I am discussing HU MSc entrance 2019 paper analysis. So one of my friend, he watched my videos and then he asked the question and solution. So thank you my friend. Today I am discussing about that question only. In the last video also I discussed one question with the answer. So here we have one question here. In a beam of interferometer, an orange color mercury line composed of two wavelengths lambda 1 lambda 2 is used. The lowest order of interference corresponding to the least contrast in the fringe pattern is. So here, so the question belongs to interferometer. So in the interferometer, the color mercury line used that composed the two wavelengths lambda 1 and lambda 2. So the question is the lowest order of interference corresponding the least contrast in the fringe pattern. So we have to find the lowest order of interference. So we have the options here A, B, C, D. So these are the options. So we are moving for solution here. See, the orange color mercury line composed of two wavelengths, composed of two wavelengths, that is lambda 1 lambda 2. So here see that the bright fringe wavelength will be lambda 1, dark fringe wavelength will be lambda 2. So the difference of these two, that is delta lambda equal to lambda 1 minus lambda 2 modulus. So I am using modulus here. If it is lambda 1 is more, subtract from lambda 1. If you lambda 2 is more, lambda 2 minus lambda 1. So here lambda 1 is equal to, we can write like this, lambda 2 plus delta lambda. Just remember this relation here. So we are moving. So for least order of interference, for least order of interference, the path of bright fringe equal to path of dark fringe pattern. So lambda 2 n lambda 2 equal to, say this is the least order of for the least order of interference. If these two both are equal, if you go to least order, that is path of bright fringe equal to path of dark fringe pattern. So that is n lambda 2 equal to n minus of lambda 1. N lambda 2 equal to n minus of lambda 1. N minus n lambda 2 equal to n minus of lambda 1. So this is a relation for least order interference. See here lambda 2 is bright fringe, lambda 1 is dark fringe. So here n lambda 2 equal to n minus of lambda 1. So we have one relation that is equal to, here right here, n minus of lambda 2 plus delta lambda. Write n lambda 2 equal to n lambda 2 plus n delta lambda minus lambda 2 by 2 minus delta lambda by 2. See here n lambda gets cancelled. This is equal to 0. N delta lambda minus lambda 2 by 2 minus delta lambda by 2. So n lambda and delta lambda, okay. N delta lambda equal to lambda by 2, lambda 2 by 2 plus delta lambda by 2. That is equal to, we can write n delta lambda equal to lambda 2 plus delta lambda by 2. So we have the relation lambda 1 by 2. We substituted here, that is n delta lambda, n equal to lambda 1 by 2 into delta lambda. So we can write like this, lambda 1 minus lambda 2, that is n. Here n is nothing but the least order of interference. See what we did here, we have color mercury line, we have the lambda wave 2 wavelets, that is lambda 1 and lambda 2. One is bright fringe, one more is dark fringe. So difference is delta lambda. So for lowest order of interference, the path of bright fringe pattern equal to path of dark fringe pattern. So if we equal both, or if we equate, we will get one relation, that is n lambda 2 equal to n minus of lambda 1. So from this, just substitute the values lambda 1 equal to lambda 2 plus delta lambda. If you go for solution, so finally here also we have to substitute one, lambda 2 plus delta lambda 2, substitute lambda 1. So n equal lambda 1 by 2 delta lambda, that is n equal lambda 1 by 2 of lambda 1 minus lambda 2. So this is the solution here. Option A is right. So what is in here? Least order of interference. So thank you users. Like this we are discussing one question analysis for any entrance that is relevant to physics. So please subscribe my channel for more videos, that is Smart Academy.